Hello, this is Phil with W.A.C.D LLC. Just wanted to let you know how to disable Google Chrome extensions from ever permanently disable them, because with extensions you can run into all sorts of issues later on, and sometimes they're not very trustworthy. So I just want to show you how you could permanently disable extensions from ever showing up on Google Chrome. The first thing that you need to do is find the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop, right click on it, and go to Properties. And then from there, you want to look at this target. And from this target location, you just put -disable -extensions. And there's a space in between the end of this quotation and the first hyphen. And then you select apply. You may need admin privileges. It may ask you for that. It may not. So when you press apply, then you press OK. Now it's important to note that if you have this pinned to the taskbar already, before you disable the extensions, it will not apply to this. So you actually have to unpin it from the taskbar and repin it back after you've selected disable extensions, so that make sure that it works. And to check this out, all you have to do is go here, click on the three dots, go to more tools, and you'll see that extensions is completely grayed out. So that's a way to make sure that extensions, it'll never ask you if you want to put an extension in, if you go on a website, etc. Helps better protect your web browser from any security issues from arising. And if you want to re-enable it, you're like, I kind of like this still. All you have to do is right click on Properties and remove this part of it. Select apply. I'm going to have to repin it to the desktop or the taskbar just because of that. And then you can see when you go to more tools, it showed up again, and look at that. It even already asked me if I wanted to add Adobe Acrobat to it because I just re-enabled extensions. But I do not want extensions currently, so I'm going to re-include this back on. Sure enough, it's been grayed out, and Adobe Acrobat Reader is not asking me to add an extension to Google Chrome. So that's how you do it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.